It's a start, I guess.
Just 4 degrees.
Bienvenue and welcome to the adventures of Timmy Leger. This summer's forecast looks like a full Sandport adventure as I travel 8,000 kilometers across the country on my bike to raise funds for children's cancer research and care and water development in Africa. This is the most recent on the adventure.
Alright, so I didn't really get a chance of me saying goodbye, but he was a really nice guy, honestly. Let me take a shower, let me sleep like with no notice at his house. Awesome. And now I'm making breakfast in his backyard because I was packing in my eggs and I heard one of the crack. So I'm like, rather than have them leak all over my bag, I'd rather just eat breakfast here. Let's go to church. Made it this far, time to thank the Lord. Thanks, man. Sweet, man. What's your name again?
Darren.
Thanks, Darren.
You too, you. God's best. And
This church is amazing. A bunch of them asked me to stay for lunch, so I did. I'm full, but didn't eat too much. Don't want to bite too much on a heavy belly, so I'm about to hit the road right now and head out to Come By Chance. Funniest name I've heard so far, apart from Dildo. This is the middle of Buckville! Nothing around here! Anyway, to head out on the highway for the first time. God keep me safe. This is the Trans-Canadian 1. So I was out there by the bar out there of the wharf there, and buddy said, you must be careful. You must be careful. It's a start, I guess. Alright, so I'm here in Newfoundland on the 1 west, and basically what happens is that I was coming down this big hill. I don't know where in Blockville I am right now, but big hill. And then I was kind of noticing a bit before, because I'm always looking forward, looking at the ground and looking ahead of me, that my front right pannier was actually always a bit loose. And I didn't really think much of it. All it would do was just like kind of like sag a bit, like bounce a bit, getting a bit more wobbly. What happens is that I don't know, like 10 to 15 pound pannier full of stuff falls like that. Boom! And my stuff's about to fall. Like, I don't know if it's gonna twist, get in my spokes. The problem is that I'm missing a bolt here, which I have no idea where it is. It can be from here to Illinois. I don't know where it is. Where it's usually standard in there.
We could be something else. We could be free. We could be. I see you dancing. You say we're running. Yes, and I love you like I have always.
Wow.
We stay romancing. They'll say we're coming down. Lost in these feelings, knocking me sideways. I see you dancing.
5 to 7 kilometers away from Arnold's Cove. I just passed Southern Harbor. I could have just stopped, like got off there and stayed the night there, either in some backyard or in my tent in the wilderness. But I set in my mind to go to Arnold's Cove, and basically right now I'm realizing that stuff is gonna take longer than I expected. Delays, a little break, like my pannier kind of thing, took like 10 minutes, whatever. Kind of realizing that if it's like realistically safe, I'm only letting my own laziness get in the way of where I want to go. In life, it's the same thing. Don't let laziness get in the way of where you want to go. Okay, I'm wasting daylight, whatever. Enough of these inspirational speeches, whatever. I hope I make it alive. Seems to be a few more hills to go. But I'm feeling 10 on 10, man. Apparently, Arnold's Cove welcomes you, and I feel welcome. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I learned that in the States, and probably in Canada too, to be considered a town, you have to have at least a post office. So look how small that post office is. Man, this is Arnold's Cove. Wow, this is amazing. 10th one, night 2. No doorbell.
Sir.
Hi there.
Well, sir, it's like this. It's not my land. It's my brother-in-law's land.
Smelled like soup, and I have soup in my bag, and I'm hungry for soup anyway, so I'm not gonna bother asking someone else. I'm just gonna go in for soup. View, and has a doorbell. Promising. Place a camp in Arnold's Cove.
Well, now, we've got so many dogs here. The first 2 houses is my piece of land. All
Okay.
right, you're welcome to go in there.
Alright, got some vegetable soup on the boil from cans. And I just want to share this one story. The lady's daughter, her daughter, so basically that old lady's granddaughter, when I wasn't there getting water that they offered, the little girl came up to me and said, like, with the widest eyes ever, like, "Are you doing this for children?" And I said, "Yeah, it's to raise money for the care and research of kids' cancer." And she said, "Okay, can you give this?" And she gave me $5. She'll have it right here. She gave it like this, like, "Can you give this?" Honestly, like, the cutest thing I've ever seen. "Can you give this money?" It was crazy, like, touching my heart. I don't know why. But yeah, just moments like that on a trip for a cause that really hit home, I guess. Can you see my breath? 4 degrees, baby. It's getting chilly tonight. The thing about bike touring is that, or hiking, I guess, as well, is that you don't want to bring too many clothes, because you don't know if you're ever going to need it, and it might actually weigh you down. But once you underpack, you regret it majorly. So I'm not saying I regret it majorly right now, but it'd be nice to have an extra layer of everything. Feeling when you finally do this. Bon appetit, mon ami. Alright, so with this 4 degrees temperature, I'm kind of freezing. So what I did is that I took out the emergency heat blanket onto my base layer. The heat would reflect faster, in my opinion. Shout out to Joe, merci Joe de me rappeler dans mes subs que sinon j'aurais pas ça, puis je pense que I would risk the hypothermia. So merci beaucoup Joe. I'm a freezing boy at 4 degrees in a Newfoundland. So I'm gonna be the taco that I want to see in the world. What a snack. Sick. Welcome to the party. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching the adventure of Team Leger. I hope you guys have a great day. Go on an adventure this weekend or whatever day you see this. Later. Good night. I'm pretty tired.